missed you so much. It's hard to believe it's been a year though. And but seeing you all this evening has been a wonderful reminder of all of your wonderful faces and just how much love I experienced when I was the pastor here. You know, it's funny, in my new assignment, a lot of these college-age students that I work with, you know, there's a lot of drama. Every day is a lot of drama, you know, he's breaking up with her, she's breaking up with him, this is always happening. I'm always, in crisis spiritual direction. And one of the things that, especially with the girls, I always have to tell them, you know, you have to kiss a lot of frogs before you find your prince. And so, you know, that's one of the things that I've experienced being a pastor. It's not having to, you know, not trying to find a match, but I've had so many office managers, you know, being a priest. Today's my 28th anniversary. And of course, Salida was my favorite. I mean, it was an awesome place. The longest place I spent as a pastor. I was here, my longest run was 11 years, but I was also here from 2000 to 2002. So in a sense, I was here for 13 years. And so, you know, this was always, it'll always be kind of my home away from home. Colorado Springs, of course, is where I grew up. But it's my home away from home. But I've been in so many parishes in this diocese, assigned to so many places. And I have never had an office manager like Mary. And I mean that with all my heart. And she has just been, I have never known anybody that's so sufficient, or efficient, I should say, and keeps...
Battery's dead.
Yeah, talking too much.
Time's up.
There we go. Okay. So, anyway, just Mary was always, you know, before I even got assigned here the last time, I remember I lost my office manager there at Holy Trinity in Colorado Springs, where I was serving at the time. I needed to hire somebody new, and I called Mary and asked her, so what would you think about moving to Colorado Springs? And she just laughed, of course. She'll never leave Salida. She made that very clear. So anyway, I just wanted to ask everybody to raise their glasses for Mary. She has, I think for all of us, has touched each and every one of our lives in so many incredible ways. She's got a memory like, unbelievable. She probably knows every single one of you guys' phone numbers. It's just, she's just amazing. But to Mary and to 11 more years.
Mary, Bella.